Hey, what is up everyone, this is Abhishek and welcome back to another exciting video. So today I have a very exciting YouTube channel intro template for you guys, and without wasting any further time, let's begin with the video. So before I give you guys a quick preview of the template, I would like to tell you that I have uploaded a full in-depth tutorial on my second channel and I have showed how to create this exact animation in After Effects from scratch. So make sure to check that out as well. Link for that is in the description below. Also, if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you never miss an amazing template like this. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You have 5 seconds to do that. So you can download the free template file from the link in the description below, and after downloading that you will get a compressed zip file. So you can uncompress it using 7-zip or WinRAR like this, and after uncompressing you will get these files. In order to edit this template you will need After Effects version CC 2014 or above. So let's open the project file. So once the project is loaded in After Effects, you can use the timeline to check out the animation, and in order to edit the logo and text you can go over here and just simply double click on any of these composition. So over here you can add your logo. So let me just quickly grab a logo. So I'm going to add the Instagram logo over here. So just simply drag it into this composition and you can scale it accordingly. So let's just scale it so that it fits something like this, and you can maybe disable the below layer. And if I go back to the main, here you can see that the logo is already changed. Now let's quickly change the text. So in the same way, just click on this add text here composition, and over here you can type whatever text you want. So let's just type instagram.com/motionations. So if I go back here, you can see that the text is changed. Now you can also change the color of this template. So just simply click on this change color here, adjustment layer, and over here you can see that we have few color options. So just quickly pick up whatever color you want and you can just simply play around with these colors, and once you are satisfied with the colors you can just simply render it out. So this is how you guys can edit the template in After Effects, and I've also provided a green screen stock footage in the download, so you can just simply add your name over here and just after that just render it out and you can use it in your videos. So I hope you guys will enjoy using this template in your videos. If you guys have any query or question, you can ask me in the comments below. And that's it for this video. This is Abhishek and I'll see you in the next one.